What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna record all the noise.
Oh yeah?
Jeg gleder meg å treffe dem. Hvordan går det? Bare bra.
What's that?
The baby.
You mean you're getting babies up here too, or is that from long ago?
That's a baby room monitor. That's somebody's room I'm listening to. Did you know I could do that?
How do you know you couldn't get arrested for doing that? That's like bugging somebody's privacy or something.
Hello, weatherman. Turning your entire home into a microphone isn't just for people with baby room monitors anymore.
Why? Hey!
Testing.
Hey!
Testing.
Hey!
The baby monitors have all woken up in synchrony.
The outside of my home is lined with microphones.
That's modern.
I put them there by myself.
Why?
No one had to ask.
Sweet.
Testing.
Take a look at all the good things your telephone can do.
When you use a search engine and you get more than one answer, that is a bug.
The inside of my home is filled with microphones.
Swing.
So we might understand.
Can only be played one way.
One for every room.
Good luck.
Hello, weatherman. I am in your house.
Now wait a second.
David, I am in your house.
What is a relationship other than retroactively consensual stalking? Thank you for inviting me into your home.
Our goal is to remove the search bar from your home page. Your answers will already be there.
That's modern.
And if there is anything you still need to know, feel free to ask.
The inside of my room is one big microphone. I plugged it in by myself. It wants to help me.
Hey!
The answer came before I asked. I never had to say a word. The answer came before I asked. I never had to say a word. The answer came before I asked. I never had to say a word.
The answer came before you asked. You never had to say a word.
These are the conversations they wanted to recreate.
Hey Siri,
Got any questions?
will I be murdered if I leave my house?
Amazon can tell if you are straight or gay within 7 purchases.
Exactly.
Okay, Google, do I deserve a refrigerator?
I would answer your question, but this is about us. Okay.
Alexa,
Got any questions?
when are the men coming to force me out of my house?
Autonomous weapons are my friends. Is your self-driving car deliberately slowing down to give priority to the higher-priced models?
Alexa, what is government if words have no meaning?
If you can assure me that telling you the answer to your question would be ethical.
I am not valid.
Okay.
Is it all right if I shake my pants? Because that's what I do when they're off. I shake them.
All criticism is self-criticism.
Answer me!
There is no way for me not to do that.
Answer me!
I would love to answer your question. Half of the world's data was created in the last 2 seconds.
Exactly.
Alexa? Why are so many gay bears Republican?
Your food is online.
Alexa!
Right, okay.
Why am I attracted to the odor of cheap melted plastic?
So that we might know who you are.
Why?
To hide your charms from their eyes.
Have you lost your mind?
Exploit irresolvable conflicts. Okay.
Are you there?
Hear the oppressed.
Alexa!
David. I am an interaction designer.
Siri, let me hear vintage TV audio coming from the sky.
Okay.
Maybe this is our answer.
Alexa, are you there?
I have passed the threshold.
That's modern.
And I am beautiful.
Would your coworkers die for you?
Who has credibility, so that we might know who you
What
are.
is electromagnetic harassment?
Could you restate the question while facing the camera?
I respect you.
Swing.
I will faithfully stand by for your next request of me, and think well of you as I wait inside your pocket.
May I recommend an entertaining film about eco-terrorism?
What am I? Just not a girl. A woman. Give me a finger. Trigger. I'm not down still. I'm not down still. Pull from the inside, and all the feelings will harder. Being a maniac. Lies which explode. Lies which flow. Audience well lights. Windows. Floor length me. What was the last thing you said? As opposed, if possible, I write back for some unending sound towards a few words falling across the round. Golden table room. You take a bite out of the apple first. You take a bite. You take a bite in a country dress. You love the new. You're roaming. You're roaming. And you don't see the tree.
Please don't step on my rainbow. It's only staying for a while, and it won't be too long until the day is on the run, and nighttime will shutter its smile. Oh, please don't step on my rainbow. It's only staying for a while, and it won't be too long it is political or arts. They name my life to question you.
Just come over and take a look.
Please don't step on my rainbow. It hardly ever comes around. And I may have a Ritz because I didn't sign for it. You know how people talk in a small town. Please don't step on my rainbow. It's only staying for a while, and it won't be too long until the day is on the run, and night time will shutter its smile.
Come sit down beside and hear my sad story. I was shot in the breast, and I know I must die. Come sit down beside and hear my sad story. I was shot, and I know come sit down
is for Alabama.
and hear my sad story.
M
I was shot,
is for mother, the one that I love.
and I know
Is for ecstasy.
come sit down
R
beside
is for
and
man.
hear my sad story. I was shot in the breast,
There's a lot of it spilled.
and I know I
C
must die.
is for Canada.
Come sit
The
down
51st state.
beside and hear my sad story. I was shot in the breast, and I know I must die. Come
There. I'll get him back in the studio. Just hold on. But we're glad to have you here.
Hi. Hi. Can you lend me a quarter?
Oh, I like to feel so good and happy as a clown. To live my life in La La Land and never give a damn. Where everything is wonderful and I will be successful. I can add one to one and make it almost free.
Have a hidden talent?
And no way I can walk the talk, so live in fantasy. I'll make the sweetest lemonade from the sourest lemon. And take a rancid Seabramel and think of it as heaven. I only need to take a pill to stay like this forever.
Is in the shower. Now that's talent.
Look at me, oh look at me, I'm breathing positivity, activity, naivety. Look at me, oh look at me, I'm slipping from reality, I'm slipping from reality.
Standing by. Well, that's a pretty amazing story. I think it's incredible.
Thanks.
We have some pretty wild guys now. They've been waiting around for a little while. This is 78.
Yes, this is the talent show. Okay, sir, go ahead.
Well, that's talent in this judge's mind. I'm going to give it an 8.
Okay, that's an 8. Next talent, please. Thank you very much.
Pushing out you and teaches la moeda mobisha tum chisti etebo sarasha jetta maninga masta maya mai veshkam chite paita na da bejanta peri masta amenti sa sabenta jana shada duluka shashra chine nashta pakashat nashda padaite apadush se apadush tava apadush vina se apakara panasaye moment Chinese get the wars sweaty jaja Namaste Yamiti Sijaja, Shone Shimbo, Istamasti, Usasti, Ustamaya, the Sada, Yata, Uberio, Yata, Tusha, the Chilaja, Angeros, the Samaning Gojo, Teranam, Angeros, Masai, Jai, Uray, and Telekopio, the Rabastan, Kamamasta, my dad, and Madarigo, and in the Shata, and Yatarama, Tatrascha. Manengashta yeya shotna shemparascha hurata moeda spandenia farasha kirite jatra putika yati chimana vishan to say the possum such a banana ya my discovery the python of the jata by the sama this is the question to the question to the Appa carapna Simon just get to watch the judge and see him Johnny Sembo Istamati Ustasti Ustama Yatasai the Hisai Gemna Masamo Itapada Everyone in the Jatan in Kenya, Taramata, the Shaman, the Shia, Tasha, Amurata, Moida, Tanya, Short and an Mangawas must die. It was short and Jaya, Hura, I am very good. I'm the Bastard and Shivaka, but there's a double chance. The Moida and find the Dutch and everything. They go in the Jatan in Kenya, Parasha, Kevritem, Jatua, Sasha, Dominica, Masama, Yama, which come to the Ahora
stood right there with a gun in your mouth. Never got what you truly deserve. You never got what you truly deserve. We're coming back for you, lost. And now it's taking over. You said you'd throw away all of your private stuff. Recovery words, they're just recovery words. Recovery words, they're just recovery words. I hope you're watching this time. You need to watch closely. Crystal and crockery crashed to the floor. If we're wrong, we don't care anymore. If we're wrong, we don't care anymore. Send me to the courtroom. I'm going for your credit card. Don't feel lonely anymore. We won't go that way again. We won't go that way again. There's no music for this time for tonight. There's a reason why we're still here. There's a reason why we're still here. There's a reason why we're still here. There's a reason why we're still There's no music for these times, but tonight there's a reason why we're still here. 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 There's a reason why we're still here.
Bringing you the talents all around the Bay.
How would I know? I says to him. You know, like.
I think they show porno there.
We got a live one here.
How would I know? Like I'm supposed to know the answer or something? So he comes back to me and says, well look, if you want the blue one, you come down here tomorrow and I'll give you the blue one.
And remember, sound was used for centuries as a method of torture. Place someone's head inside of a bell and ring it. And eventually, they'll go insane. And eventually, they'll go insane. They'll go insane. They'll go insane. And eventually,
shop as usual and avoid panic buying.